Hello everyone, welcome back to another FSD Beta video. We are currently on 4.7. I'm still currently on the same map data as previously in the last few months. I think it's been almost a year probably. Maybe less than that. But yeah, apparently there's a new map data coming out, but I haven't really gotten it yet. Once I get it, I will do some more specific to the region or to Calgary. Driving, especially around the highway. But yeah, like this time we're doing a highway test. We have a lot of rain today, so I still figured I'll go out and see what I can, how this will come out on video. I'm not too sure, but I wanted to also demonstrate how the auto wipers work really well. Because I've noticed the last few months, because it's kind of like the rainy season here in Canada, or in my region currently. And I've noticed that the auto wipes have been working really well for me. I almost never intervene to stop it or manually get it to run or anything like that. So yeah, I'll be driving off currently right now. We're getting closer to the highway and I'm gonna head south on Deerfoot, highway number 2, I think. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. So typically we have a slowdown here for this traffic light, and you can see it happening right now. I don't have any cars behind me. So it's gonna come to a complete stop, so I'm gonna intervene here and punch the accelerator. Alright, so this is another thing that I've noticed when there's a car indicating, it does kind of like give way for it and it slows down for the car. Didn't really do it this time around, I don't know why, but typically it does. I am driving on chill mode right now. If you guys haven't been following me on Twitter, or X, sorry, I've been posting that I've been conditioning myself to drive on chill mode, even though there's a big gap follow distance with the car in front of me. But I'm pretty much conditioned to drive on chill, and I find it way better than average or assertive, just because we don't get those spontaneous lane changes that kind of bother me, to be honest. So yeah, so hope you folks like this video. Please hit like and subscribe to my channel. I'll speed you up over here until we get to the exit to the highway, and we'll do some highway testing. Hope you folks like this video, and please follow and subscribe and hit the notification button to be alerted whenever there's a video coming. Also, please, if you're watching this on X, please repost my post, just so that there's more visibility for this. Thank you very much for your support. As you can see, we're slowing down here just to let this person merge in. I know that this behavior is annoying for some people. For me, till now, it didn't really put me in a bad situation, so I kind of trust it so far. But obviously, with every feature in FSD, there's always times where you have to intervene, and it's not really well catered for the situation. Here we're taking the exit to the highway. No signal whatsoever. I prefer if there's a signal. It does signal right now to stay. To say that it's choosing to stay on the left fork. We're gonna have to stay on the left-hand side in order to take the south way of the highway. Here it does tend to go a little bit fast, but it slows down once it finds out that we are coming up to a tight turn here. So that is not really preferable. It should be maintaining a proper speed of like 60 or 80 at that time, not really going too fast. Now we're coming up to the highway, and this one's a filter through, so we don't really merge in. We have our designated lane, which we can just go straight through. So no issues with merging over here. And of course, merging is still not a feature in FSD Highway on version 11, unfortunately. Nice pickup of speed over here. And you notice how the auto wipe, or the wipers, the windshield wipers, they start going faster, and then they slow down once you reach a speed like a stagnant, like a constant speed of let's say 105 in this case, or so on. So if you guys all know, I always run with a delta speed, so I'm on off right now, but I have a delta of plus 8%, and that is really just to maintain an appropriate speed with other traffic. I also noticed there's a new feature in the FSD version 11.4.7 where it says it's maintaining flow speed, I think, or something along those lines. That feature is very good, actually. I've noticed it kicking in every now and then, and it's normally like when you're going to slow down from let's say from 100 over here to down to a 90, and then but other cars around you are still maintaining the same speed, so it maintains the same speed of traffic around it, and that is a very welcome feature. And it does that. It varies as well how long does it do that. So sometimes it stays longer, sometimes it's very short, and then goes to the normal speed. So depending on the situation, it does vary. We're coming up to a situation over here where traffic is coming in, merging in from the right-hand side. They have their own designated lane, but still, normally FSD kind of gets out of the rightmost lane in these situations. And we can witness over here how the windshield wipers are slowing down, just adjusting to the rain situation, if it's a fast rain or slow rain, heavy or light, I mean. This is awesome. I mean, you can drive in this situation, and I always use FSD in these situations. It's only when it's like pouring really badly and you can hardly see in front of you, can't even see the cars right now in this situation, for example. That's when I take control and I slow down, because FSD used to, I don't know how it is right now, but it used to just go very fast and does not maintain speed according to the situation. Interesting, right now it's kind of slowed down, but I'm not sure why. It is 100 kilometers an hour speed limit, so interesting. Not sure why the slowdown happened. I don't think I scrolled the here we go, I'll just reset the speed. If you just hold down the stalk on the right for a bit, just halfway through, hold it down for a couple of seconds, it resets the speed, but it's kind of slowing down again. I think this is due to the rainfall. Interesting. It went back down to 97. So folks, if you know what the reason of this is, I reset the speed and then it slows down again. There you go. Resets back down to 97. If you folks know why it's doing that, and it's not giving me a message or anything. So yeah, if you please, if you know, let me know down in the comments below, and hit me up and let me know what the reason is for that. Try and reset again and see how it goes. Yeah, it keeps going back, reverting back to 97. Interesting. I'll just double check my speed. Yeah, it's plus 8%, so really shouldn't be any reason for that. Now it's telling me to pay attention because I'm looking at the screen for a long time. Alright folks, I'll probably wrap it up over here. Hope you folks like this video, a cool insight into FSD in rain. And yeah, we'll see you folks in the next video. I'll be doing a few tests. And here we go, we're going back up to our normal speed. I think it was just due to the rain and the conditions. It's slowing down manually. I've never noticed that before. Okay folks, hope you folks have a nice video. Hope you enjoyed this one, and we'll see you in the next one. Have a nice day.